Hi everyone, my name is Alex Mackey and welcome to my course Service Workers Deep Dive. I work as a Principal Consultant at Telstra Purple, one of the largest Australian-owned IT consulting organisations. Service Workers are a programmable network proxy that brings functionality such as offline support, push notifications and background synchronisation to the web, further blurring the line between what's possible in web and native applications. In this course, we'll take a deep dive into how service workers work, ensuring that you can make full use of the exciting capabilities they bring. Some of the major topics that we will cover include service workers' history and origin, service workers' lifecycle and events, various methods of communicating with service workers, background sync, notification and push APIs, the caching API and various caching strategies you can employ, considerations around builds, deployment and testing, and third-party libraries such as UpUp and Workbox. By the end of the course, you'll have a good understanding of how to use service workers, service worker capabilities, various pitfalls to avoid, and tried and trusted implementation patterns. Before beginning the course, you should have an intermediate level of understanding of JavaScript, specifically promises, as service workers and some of their related APIs make extensive use of this feature. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn service workers with the Service Worker Deep Dive course at Pluralsight.